Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Every week I release new videos regarding crafting and doing t-shirt business and also Amazon and so many things. So welcome to my channel. If you want to follow up, please like and subscribe. On today's video I will be working on my second screen printing project, because I found this project the easiest and cheapest way to do my business, and let's go ahead and do it. On my last week video, I used a vinyl to try out making my stencils for screen printing. On this video, as I promised last week, to try out a stencil film. So what you see me using today would be a stencil film and also transfer paper, and the rest is gonna be the same like last week video. Once we finish the weeding part, the next part would be putting on the transfer tape over the stencil. Then we will be removing the backside of the stencil cover. While doing this part, what I noticed is it is very easy to work on the stencils for this process, because when I was using the vinyl, it was very hard and it took me longer to remove the back side of the vinyl. So on this one, I chose the stencil film better to work on this project. Once we finish putting on the stencil on the screen, it is time to peel out the transfer tape that we put earlier. It's so easy. I found it so easy to work on the stencils. If that was the vinyl, it takes time and we have to do it slow motion. This is the final outcome of my project for today, and if you guys like it, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Thank you for watching.